What if I told you that some of the most extreme and mysterious places in the universe are not in space, but right here on Earth? Hidden under miles of ice. Buried beneath oceans. Or locked deep inside the planet itself. And the most surprising part is this: we only discovered many of them in the last few decades. Today, we're exploring 10 real places on Earth that feel completely alien, and the incredible stories of how we found them. 1. Lake Vostok, Antarctica. Deep beneath nearly 4 kilometers of Antarctic ice lies Lake Vostok. Scientists first suspected its existence in the 1960s using radar signals that revealed something massive hidden under the ice. It was confirmed in the 1990s, and finally reached in 2012. This lake has been sealed off from the surface for millions of years. Completely dark. Completely isolated. It may contain ancient life forms that evolved in total separation from the outside world. 2. Lake Whillans, Antarctica. Another hidden lake beneath the Antarctic ice is Lake Whillans. Discovered using radar and satellite data, scientists drilled into it in 2013. What they found was extraordinary. Living microbes surviving without sunlight or oxygen. Instead, they rely on chemical energy from rocks. This discovery proved that life can exist in extreme isolation. 3. Lost City Hydrothermal Field. Deep in the Atlantic Ocean lies Lost City Hydrothermal Field. Discovered in 2000 during a deep-sea expedition, this system is unlike anything else on Earth. Instead of volcanic activity, it is powered by chemical reactions between seawater and rock. It forms towering mineral structures and supports life without sunlight. This environment may resemble how life could exist on other planets. 4. Challenger Deep, Mariana Trench. At the deepest point of Earth's oceans lies Challenger Deep. It is over 11 kilometers below the surface. First mapped in the 1950s, it was reached by humans in 1960 and explored again in 2012. The pressure here is more than 1,000 times what we experience at sea level. And yet, life still exists here, adapted to conditions that should be impossible. 5. Dallol Hydrothermal System. In Ethiopia lies one of the most extreme environments on Earth, Dallol Hydrothermal System. Known for its toxic gases, acidic pools, and extreme heat, this place looks like another planet. Scientists still debate whether stable life can exist here at all. It is one of the closest environments to complete biological extremity on Earth. 6. Mid-Atlantic Ridge Deep Biosphere. Beneath the ocean floor lies a hidden world along Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Deep inside the Earth's crust, microbes survive in complete darkness. No sunlight. No oxygen. Only chemical energy from the planet itself. This underground biosphere may be one of the largest ecosystems on Earth. 7. Mantle Transition Zone. Far beneath our feet lies a region known as the Mantle Transition Zone, a layer between 410 and 660 kilometers deep inside the Earth. Scientists believe it may contain vast amounts of water trapped inside minerals. Possibly even more than all the oceans on the surface combined. But this water is not liquid, it is locked inside rock under extreme pressure. It suggests Earth may have a hidden internal water system. 8. Blood Falls, Antarctica. In Antarctica's McMurdo Dry Valleys lies Blood Falls. Discovered in 1911, it appears as a red waterfall flowing from a glacier. The color comes from iron-rich water that has been trapped for up to 2 million years. When exposed to air, the iron oxidizes, turning the water red. It looks like blood, but it is ancient chemistry and isolated water. 9. South Pacific Gyre. In the middle of the ocean lies one of the most lifeless regions on Earth, South Pacific Gyre. It is so remote and nutrient-poor that very little life can survive there. Some sediments have remained undisturbed for tens of millions of years. It is one of the closest things Earth has to a biological desert. 10. Afar Depression. In East Africa lies Afar Depression. Here, 3 tectonic plates are slowly pulling apart. The ground is cracking. Magma is rising. The Earth is actively splitting. Over millions of years, this region will become a new ocean basin. It is one of the only places on Earth where we can watch a future ocean being born. These places are not science fiction. They are real. And they reveal something important: we still do not fully understand our own planet. Hidden beneath ice, rock, and ocean, Earth contains environments as strange as anything in space. And the more we explore, the more we realize how much is still waiting to be discovered. Because the Earth we know is only the surface.